Hi, my name is Nitesh Kumar and I am from India. I have been teaching for the last 3 years and my subjects are mathematics, English, Hindi, reasoning, and I teach IGCSE, ICSE, CBSE and state boards as well. Also, I teach for competitive exams such as railway, SSC, banking, etc. So, without any further delay, we jump directly to the question I have taken for this particular video session. So, this is the problem and this problem is taken from class 10 coordinate geometry. Topic name is coordinate geometry. Okay, so now I am going to solve this question. Have a look. Find the value of k if the points A, B and C are collinear. So first what we do, we write down the points A, 2, 3, B, 4k and C, 6, -3. We consider these points A and B and C as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. We can consider these points. Now x2 is equal to x1, 3 is equal to y1, 4 is equal to x2 and k is equal to y2, 6 is equal to x3 and -3 is equal to y3. Okay, now before solving this question we need to understand what are collinears. Okay, so I show you, whenever there is a line, when some points lie on the same line, then we call these points are collinear. Suppose this is a line and A, B, C, 3 points on the same line, we can say A, B and C are collinear. This is first thing you need to know. Second thing, this is a triangle we have made by using such points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So why we need to know this? Because we have formula of a area, we have formula to finding area of any triangle when these 3 points are given. When these 3 points are given, what is the formula? Formula is 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula with the help of we find the area of any triangle when these 3 points are given. Clear that? So why we are using this formula? Because theorem says this formula, area of a triangle is equal to 0 when points are collinear. Okay, when points are collinear, if 3 points are given, what we do, we write down the area of this formula and we put the value of given points and we make the value of area equal to 0 because points are collinear. Collinear means that all the points are lying on the same on the single line, on same line, and whenever points are on same line we cannot find area. We cannot find area, or we can say area equal to 0. Okay, this is the concept we have to use in this question to find the value of k. Now what I do, I have shown you the formula. Now I just put the values, given values in the formula. Okay, so I put the value. Our formula was 1 by 2 x1, and x1 is 2, y2 minus y3, y2 is k minus y3 is minus 3, plus y2, y2 is k, sorry, x2, x2 is 4, y3 minus y1, y3 y3 minus y1, y1 is also 3, plus x3, x3 is 6, y1 minus y2, y1 is 3 and y2 is k, and the area will be equal to 0 because we know the points are collinear, and whenever points are collinear, we cannot find area, or we can say area will be equal to 0. So what I do, I make some space. Now we have enough space to solve this question, so we start just solving the equation. One by 2, 2, negative and negative make positive, k plus 3 plus 4 minus plus minus 6 plus 6, 3 minus k, and the area will be equal to 0 because points are collinear. 1 by 2, 2 k plus 3 plus and minus, when we multiply, positive negative makes negative, 4 6 is 24, plus 6, 3 minus k, and the value of area equal to 0. 1 by 2, what we can, one by 2. Now we multiply 2 with k and 3, so we get 2k plus 6 minus 24, multiply 6 to 3, 18, 6 to minus k minus 6k. Now let's make some space. One by 2, 2k minus 6k, positive minus positive, negative make negative, minus 4k. Now we first add 18 plus 6, 24, left minus 24 is equal to 0. When we divide 0 1 by 2 by sending this other side, we get 0. So minus 4k is equal to 0, and we know we can eliminate positive 24 and negative 24. So now we left with minus 4k equal to 0 by sending minus 4k other side, or divide 0 by minus 4k, minus 4, we get value 0. So we can say the value of k is equal to 0. So this is our answer, and because we had to find the value of k, now we have found the value of k is 0, and 0 is our answer for this particular question. So guys, I hope you understood this question and you liked this session, and this is the ending of this session. Thank you for watching this video.